I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. I'm just getting the gear on and see what happens.
He's like, I
Someone's waving a chainsaw at you crazily. They smile and wave. Hello!
It's very black looking. Okay, put your hair back. Or maybe not.
I'm gonna get FD&C red number 5 all on me.
Sweet.
My eyes are all scrunched out like Asian. He died of dysentery. Give me the watch.
The watch.
The watch.
So, oh, I got him in jeans.
That's alright. These are shitty jeans.
Alright.
Look at it. Look at my jeans. There's a big hole in the crotch.
Okay, well,
If I did it, they can't prove nothing.
Okay.
I tried making a suit. Didn't work. I can't fucking sew.
So what is a normal day for you, crazy
What is the
man?
fuck with the questions? Jesus Christ. You look familiar. Do I know you?
No, you don't know me.
Are you a little scared? A little bit? Why? Have a good day. Hey, hey, what? I lived in the Guatemalan hood though.
You look where?
In the Guatemalan hood.
I'm gonna do a dip again, so I need you behind her.
You're very tall. I am very tall.
Looking for some action, sir? Huh? 20 bucks. Welcome to Grand Rapids! Yes! Ding, ding, ding. This is a podunk town. I'm sick of this fucking town right now. There's no, oh, there are children. Too many children in this world. Someone needs to take them out, but I'll wave. Hi!
I have to transfer you down to housekeeping. Our housekeeping manager keeps track of all the lost and found items.
Jesus Christ, what is it? Let's go.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
But it's not under your name.
What's my name? What Smith is it?
There's a woman and a male.
Okay, I am the man one. My woman is my alter ego. You ever been here before?
No, it's actually my first time.
I can sell you a room. It's $159 plus tax.
What? This is horseshit. Let's get out of here. 159. Why? Where are we going? Jesus Christ, dude. You know, fucking one. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, windows. I'm down it. Do you work around here often? I'm just kidding. I'm actually in a relationship right now.
Okay.
She's in a box and riding. I'll do both of you. Come on. Come on. 20 bucks. 20 bucks? Can't be. Hey, you got a kid back there? You sick fuck. Get away from me. Ooh.
We just had ours back down to St. Joe.
That's a very smart scarf to have on. I love the blue.
Thank you.
That's beautiful. Did you really? Get out of here, girl. What? Can I touch it?
Sure.
Purple scarf! Yes! Rock on! Welcome to Grand Rapids, madam. You're very stylish.
And do you have $6?
None of your business.
I'm sorry, but I do need $6.
Why? I can walk right around that thing.
Yeah, I'm engaged.
Man or woman?
Man.
How old is he?
21.
Ooh, are you coming on to me?
No, just your show.
Because, you know, I have nothing against random sex.
I do.
But I don't like to pay for it. Very pretty.
Why, thank you.
I'm saying that to a lot of women. How many sexual partners have you had?
Oh my gosh.
What do you like sexually?
Oh, I can't answer that.
Are you just like vanilla? Mary Jane, you smoke weed? Ah! She said yes. You got it. She said yes. If I was dating you, I would say I've seen a lot of pretty women, but you are the prettiest.
There you go. You got it.
I do more than. What is your problem?
What's yours?
Why are you screaming?
It's like you got the problem.
I do. I have issues.
Yeah,
I'm trying to work through that.
Yeah, you work out.
It doesn't help when people scream at me!
You just go ahead and work out. Yeah, go ahead and work out.
You're on teacher.
Make some noise!
Yeah!
People are dead! Yeah! Let's go! You're all expecting some stuff! Come on! Yeah!
Chainsaw! 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 Chainsaw!
What are you laughing at? Keep one eye open tonight, mister.
What is that? I'm an artist.
Are you really?
Yeah.
So
and it's her
am I.
birthday too.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, chainsaw!
Come on, I'm tired. Jeez, no more cameras. You look like you know where you're going. Yeah, just messing around, trying to earn a living.
Pink, because I've been bored here reading math.
Oh, ew, reading math, accounting.
Accounting.
Ah, man, that's disgusting. I can't stand math. Get away from me.
All right, good night.
Good night. Can I get a picture with you guys?
Are you gonna kill us and
No.
stop?
I won't touch you. I got one hand. Ah! Mr. Nice Guy's over. Yeah, quit looking at him. Oh my God! Yeah.
So this is the first time I've dropped off a wedding party for their pictures, and they got their picture taken with a man with a bloody smock and a chainsaw with a mask on.
Want me to take your chainsaw?
No, you don't touch my fucking chainsaw. No! God,
Okay.
shut your mouth. You're the reason I started cutting up people in the first place.
Well,
Let's go!
will you show me where to...
I dismember mama face. May I mama dog face banana patch? The dragons give birth to squirrels in the sky. And they in turn give birth to raw words. Words to kill by.